Buying a whole house water system that fits your needs can be a challenging task. How do you intelligently choose among the wide array of companies and types of filtration, conditioning, and purifying technologies on the market today? First, decide what type of water problem you're trying to solve. Do you have bad tasting or smelling water? Perhaps fluoridated or hard water? If you want to solve your water problems for your entire home, you'll need a whole house water system. Whole house water systems are an excellent choice for homeowners who want to make their water clean and safe for all uses. This would include drinking and also showering and bathing and laundry by attacking the problem at the water main. All municipalities add disinfectants such as chlorine and chloramines to water supplies with the intention of killing unwanted pathogens. In some areas, there's more chlorine in tap water than in a swimming pool. Next, do your research. Of course, ask friends and family. And researching online is a good starting point. Look for a company's reviews from real customers on Yelp or Angie's List, even Facebook. High-quality systems are certified, so don't be fooled by unsubstantiated claims. To be sure, choose a device that is tested, certified by an accredited national laboratory, such as IAPMO, NSF, or WQA. Ask for the proof of certification. Consider all the maintenance costs. Some water systems require regular filter changes to function properly, and the cost of replacing a filter can range from $20 to $400 per year. Salt-based water softeners need salt added frequently, costing $300 to $800 per year. Look for companies that offer in-home customer service. Buying online may save money, but could also mean you'll get little or zero help when you need it. You will need to hire a plumber or install the system yourself. And if you need service help in the future, you'll be on your own. Look into the types of water systems. A saltwater softener is not a filter. It only replaces healthy hardness minerals with sodium. Basically, a water softener turns dirty chlorinated hard water into dirty chlorinated salty water. That's why water softeners are paired with reverse osmosis systems to filter water and remove the dirt, chlorine, and salt, but only where they are installed at the kitchen sink. A reverse osmosis system filters everything out of the water, including salt, and if present, nutrient minerals like calcium and magnesium. Demineralized water is acidic. Acidic water is not very good for pets and plants. Additionally, reverse osmosis systems waste 3 to 5 gallons of water to produce 1 gallon of filtered drinking water. Salt-free water softening systems. The LifeSource Whole House Water System will filter and condition all the water in your home with one maintenance-free system. The advanced LifeSource system filters water for clean, delicious taste and conditions water, preventing limescale buildup caused by hard water. No waste, no hassle, no problem. LifeSource Water Systems.